How old is this place?
Opened in 1960.
60?
So, yeah.
I didn't realize that.
So they had a property in Cheltenham, and that was a Tillinghast course that was renovated by Ross. So when I got the job and we started talking about master plan and stuff like that, talking about architects, I reached out to Palmer. And Palmer was, he put me in contact with Yeager.
Yeager's really good.
Yeah. I emailed Yeager, it was the end of January when I first got the job. Walked the course second week of February.
That's a good time to walk when there's no leaves on the trees.
Yeah. Well, especially when I first took the job and it was a lot more trees.
Yeah, yeah.
Who's the architect again?
Yeager Kovic. Yeager has his own architecture firm called Proper Golf. And he's definitely an up-and-comer in the industry.
How did you decide on the architect?
Decide on the architect by reaching out to 4. I think we had 4 on the list that we reached out to. We formed a search committee for the process. All 4 of them were on site. 3 of them had formal interviews, and then committee made a decision from there.
Wow, they were thorough.
Yeah, very thorough with it. How do I vet an architect? I mean, my personal vetting with Yeager was, you know, I feel like I know the potential in this property, and I wanted to bring somebody in who felt the same and wasn't afraid to share their ideas. Somebody who can share their ideas and defend it, because it's tough to tell a committee this is what I want to do, and then if somebody disagrees with it, why you want to do it. And Yeager was just lock and step. I want to put a bunker here. Well, this is going to do. No, but what we're going to do here is we're going to put the fairway over here. You know, expand the fairway over here so you have a lot more hitting room over here, and you know, anything that he threw out there he could back up. Whereas, you know, some of the other architects were a little shy to share ideas and stuff like that, and kind of wanted to stick to some status quo stuff.